Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of the Tritina Boxer TR02 power bank. It's a power bank with a lithium polymer battery, should be fireproof, and it comes with 20,000 milliampere hours. So let's open the box. Oops, that was a little bit too much. It's covered with this plastic thing, and here you can open it, I think, from the top, or push it here, or yeah. So anyway, what do they say here? About the same, probably. Lithium polymer battery. Come on. Yeah. Dual USB output, LED capacity indicator. That's good. Safe and efficient. Yeah, everybody can tell. Fast charging, smart charging, NPS smart chip, whatever that means. Fireproof. Yeah, would be good. So input, it has one input, of course, and two outputs, one with 1 amp and one with 2.1 amp. So the 410 grams are a little bit on the higher side, but if it really has 20,000 milliampere hours, then it'll be good. So I mean, 20,000 is a thing. So yeah, here we have a lot of details, warnings, recommendation, made in China, of course. Not much else. Seems to come in two different colors, and so let's take it out of the box. By the way, it was available on Amazon for some time, but now only on AliExpress. So here, very nice thing. They ship it to US. They include an US flag. It's a nice marketing gag. Here we have the description. Probably not much really interesting. Maybe they have a support thing, or here there's some interesting thing. What's that? So it seems to have a lot of indicators. They are either off or blinking. Yeah, it's a little bit overkill if you need such a huge table to find out what it means. So basically it's saying one blinking thing is only 25% about, two blinking up to 53 blinking, up to 75 for blinking, up to 100%. Here, charging this power bank, of course, with USB, I guess, micro USB, and I guess there's nothing included to charge it, but usually you will have enough adapters to power to charge that. Here we have the exact size and weight, package content. Yeah, it's a power bank and the charging cable and the USB manual, and not much more. Caution, yeah, here. So happy or not so happy. And in case you're not so happy, here we have contact information. That's really good. We have several phone numbers for US, Germany, and I guess China. Email support, submit online return forms at, and so on. Here maybe website, Yeah, that's Facebook and Twitter. Here I guess we have the cable. That's the bag. Nice bag. Not too bad. It feels like leather. Of course it's not leather, but it's not too bad. At least not super cheap. But who needs a bag for charging? I mean power bank. Probably nobody. Here another nice thing like a wristband. Improve your lifestyle with Tritina. Yeah, does it fit? Let's try. Yeah. From tomorrow, all the people will run around with these wristbands. No, definitely not. I don't know who will do that, but you never know. Maybe some children will like it. So anyway, here it comes with, let's see, is it micro USB or mini USB? Cable is not bad. So it's let's focus. It's a micro USB. That's good. The plug is rather thick, so it won't fit everywhere, but seems to fit at least here. So I had it on the side for quite a while. I don't know if it's still charged or if it ever has been charged. So it looks really good. It looks quite yeah, somehow fancy. Some kind of leather style, like yeah, but of course it's plastic. Here we have these two plugs, the one with 1 amp and one with 2.1 amp. I hope you can see. There's no number, but yeah, there's one flash, and here we have two flash. So I guess this is stronger. This is 2 amps. This is 1 amp. And here we have the LED indicator, so let's push and see, goes down to only 2 blinking things. It's only for very short time. Usually that lasts a little bit longer, but I guess it's 2. That should mean it starts on 4, but after that it goes down to 2. So I guess it's only halfway charged. And yes, I mean, let's try to do something, at least connect this cable, if I can open that. So means here plug is working good. Yeah, what it does not have is a light. So usually these things come with LED light, so you can use it as a torch or flashlight. Yeah, it seems it doesn't have a flashlight for this price. Would be nice to have a flashlight, but I mean you can attach a USB light, so in case you have a power failure in your area, then you can use it at least to power LED USB light. So I don't know where this came from. It looks like it was here. Yeah, it's fitting here. Just see, that's a nice thing. So it obviously fits for Android and iOS. So this is Apple lightning cable, and here we have micro USB. So that's a good thing. So I didn't notice that. Sorry for that. I almost I was almost overlooking that. So I don't know where it came from, out of the nothing. So, but at least I saved that. That's good. So it doesn't only work with this cable or with this power bank. So it's standard micro USB to Lightning adapter. So that's the good thing. So I now brought this LED USB fan to test how this works. The thing is, do we have to push here to turn it on? Yeah, okay, definitely. So some of the power banks, they don't need a push. Obviously this one needs a push, so without the push it does not provide power. So we have 5 volts and 0.4 amps. I hope we can find something we can charge even faster. At the moment I don't have anything. Well, let's see, 1.4. How much do we have on the other side? Yeah, same thing. So probably there's a limitation from the fan. Fan doesn't need more power. So I'm now charging my LG G5, which I'm using to record this video, and it provides 0.8 amps on the one plug and I think about same on the other plug. So yeah, probably same thing. I guess it's related to the consumer and not related to the power bank, I guess. So that's it for now. I can't wait, unfortunately, for a couple of days or so till I can charge it or charge it a couple of times and then use all the capacity to test it. But I will do it and you will find the result in the description. And yeah, so we will see how much the charge was, because with this device I'm able to record the amount of the milliamps. Oops, it stopped, so I hope I can show you this. So it's now at 140 milliampere hours. So that will then be counting and counting and counting till the end, till the battery is drained. So hopefully we will get 20,000 milliamps. I'm not so sure, but at least it's really heavy, so we have a chance to get more than 10,000. So let's see. That's the video. Just check the description underneath. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.